Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to make hard reset for headphones Holyhigh V10. You have to start by open Bluetooth settings and remove your device. Forget this device, forget device. Okay. Now, press and hold multifunctional buttons until you can hear power off. Here we go. And now you should again hold and press multifunctional buttons for a 15 seconds until these lights start to flashing red and blue. And here we go. Now you should close the case, and here we go. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!